So here is what? What is the name here? Which man is here? 120. Which one? Is it cocoa or what?
120 is cocoa.
Is it cocoa? Check it. Which export product? Which export product? Where's 120 here? 120. Which export product? Petroleum. Isn't it?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Which one is 100?
100 is cocoa.
Which one is 70%?
Granite.
Which one is 25?
Cool.
Which one is 45?
Others.
So this is the pie chart. Is that clear? So in JAM they are going to ask you what percentage or what the if this one is this 60 degrees, what will be the other one? So you see, if you want to calculate, it's very simple. First of all, you have to get the total of each of the export products, is it not? Then to get their percentage is very simple. Just the amount that each of them have over the total times what? 100. Is that clear? Then if you want to get the degree that is obtained in the pie chart, if you want to draw it with your protractor, you have to calculate the degrees first. Because it's with this degree that you can be able to draw the what? Pie chart. Is that clear? Is it clear? So that's how we now draw this. Open your notes. That's how you're able to draw this. After calculating the word degrees. After calculating the word degrees. Is that clear? Is that clear? Good. So that's why you must write very well. You must do what? You must write very well. If you don't write very well, how will you understand the calculations? Economics, you need a lot of mathematics idea for you to be good in economics. For you to be good in what? Economics. Bar chart. What is bar chart?
Bar chart is the graph made up of bars of rectangles which are equal width, which are equal width, and which lengths are proportional to the
good. Bar chart is simply a representation of rectangles of what? Rectangles of similar what?
Width.
Similar width. All the widths are equal. All the widths are what?
Equal.
The only thing that is different in them is their what? Their heights. Is that clear? They are of equal what? Width, but with varying height. Thank you. But this is permanent. Is that clear? The distance from here to here is the same for all of them. Can you see it? Sit down so that you understand what. Distance from here to here is the same, but their height is what? Different. This their height shows you the quantity. You understand? So the highest now, for that table we had before, which one has the highest? Which one had the highest value? 200, and that is what? Cocoa, isn't it? No, it's not 200, it's not the highest. Which one has the highest? Which value is highest in this value?
Okay, 240.
240. So you see that petroleum is here, 240, followed by what?
Cocoa, 200.
Cocoa is what?
200.
So we can have cocoa here to be what? 200. Is that clear?
Followed by granite.
Followed by what? Granite. So the height shows you the one that is bigger, whereas the widths are what? Equal. Is that clear? So that is what we call bar chart. A bar chart is a graph made up of bars or rectangles. It is made up of what? Rectangles. All these things are what? Rectangles or bars, which are of equal what? Width. The widths are equal, but the lengths are what? Proportional to the quantities they do what? Represent. So you can see that the length of this is proportional to the quantities, representing petroleum of 240, whereas this one is representing cocoa of what? 200. Is that clear? There are three types of bar charts. We have what we call simple bar charts, component bar charts, and what? Multiple bar charts. So we have three types of bar charts. Three types of bar charts. We have what we call what? Simple bar charts, component bar charts, and what? Multiple bar charts. Those are the types of bar charts we have. A simple bar chart is used when the data given are made up of only one item or component. As an example, you have a table where you have the years and the tons of cocoa that was produced, is it? In 1960, how many tons was produced? 7,000. In 1961, how many tons was produced? In 1962, how many?
3,000.
Good. So those are the tons. So from the figure, using the scale of 1 cm to 1 ton, you can draw up a simple bar chart. Can you see your simple bar chart? This one that has how many? 7,000. Can you see the length? The one 1961 has how many? 1.5. Can you see it? The one that has 1962 is what? 3,003. Can you see it? The next one is what? 1963. How many? Can you see it? And the next one is what?
964.
Can you see it? So that is bar chart. That is what we call what? Bar chart. That is what we call what? Bar chart. That is what we call what? Bar chart. So did you go further? Then did you stop the notes? This one. Okay, this is where you stopped. Is it? Which one is this? Okay, that's where you stopped. So we're going to stop here for now. We're supposed to have copied or so that we can easily explain them. But you can deduce from how you got this from this, right? Okay, how they got this one? They divided everything here by 1,000. Can you see? Divided it by 1,000 because of the scale. The scale we are using is what? 100 to what? 1. Okay, solution from the figure using the scale of what? 1 to what? 1,000. See, that's why they divided everything here by what? 1,000, so that you get all this. Then with this now, you plotted this. Is that clear? But you understand how they plotted this with this. You just draw one line here, call it what? Tone. Produce, cocoa produce. Then this one is the years, huh? So you start representing the years, 1960, 1961, first one, second one, third one, fourth one, isn't it? Then the height you give your bars depends on their value. You understand? So this one that is 7, can you see that it is given 7? This first one is what? 7 is given 7. Whereas this biggest one is 8.5. That is 64. Exactly. So that is how it is done. So in the next class we'll continue.
Are we still writing it?
No need.